Out. Sleep. Out. So come out. Stand.
When my strength feels small and the road before me feels long, fill my heart with boldness and endurance. Let your power rise within me, so that I will not give up. I will not turn back, and I will not lose hope. In the middle of the journey, Father, let your truth take root in my heart. Wherever I go, remind me that you are with me. When fear tries to whisper that I cannot make it, let your voice speak louder and remind me that I am not alone. I will not give up, I will go on. God's strength in me is rising strong. When I feel weak, He lifts my heart. His faithful love will never depart. Step by step, He leads my way, giving me courage for today. Hope is alive inside my soul. With God beside me, I'll reach the goal. Strengthen my spirit when discouragement tries to weigh me down. When doors close and progress feels slow, help me stand firm and keep moving forward. Let courage rise in my heart like a fire that cannot be extinguished. Bible says, but they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as